we're recording. Go ahead, make it speak.
Oh, thank you so much for being here and allowing us to do this. We really appreciate it. And we hope we bring something new and exciting to downtown Anderson.
Right ahead.
Yeah. Stop and see us.
Yeah. Hey, we're appreciative another business is opening today in downtown Anderson. There's really been a string of new businesses opening in downtown Anderson. We like the small entrepreneurs that are finding downtown environment attractive. We appreciate you for your investment and, of course, for being downtown. You could have chose anywhere. You chose downtown.
Thank you.
And because it is 18 degrees today, I would say that we ought to cut this.
Yeah,
So
good.
here's what I want you ladies to do, and I'll hold on to your sign here. If you'd each take this, okay? When are you guys ready? You ready? All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Hey, all right.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Ooh.
Come in and have a
Thank you.
couple signs.